Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side now. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, rear backup sensors and a camera. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of the button, hatch folds itself down just like that. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. Inside, you have your power amenities here, locks, windows, and mirrors. Inside now, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls. Like I said, you can visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com.